Hi there, I'm Hi. This is just another video of me solving random numerical problem. Let's begin. We have to split the array today. So we are given an array of num with of even length, right? The constraints stated that the input array num.length mod 2 will always be equal to 0. So that is a good thing to know because we need to split this input array into two subarray such that the first array has a length equal to um the length of the second array, right? Equal to num.length divided by 2. Uh, num1 and num2 should contain distinct elements, right? And return true if it is possible to split the array and false otherwise. Okay, so the general idea is that we know that the input array length is even, so it's always possible to divide it into two array to separate with equal length. So that's always okay. If a number appears more than 2 times, right? If a number appears for more than 2 times, which means it is impossible to split it with distinct elements, right? So we can have nums1 and nums2 array like this. But if we have like three number one, like 1, 1, 1, 3 times, we can put one in here, right? But if a number appear for the third time, the same number appear for the third time, then it's impossible to make the subarray has distinct elements. Right, so in that example, as you can see, it's two number two, two number one, so that is okay. 1 and 2 can go here, 1 and 2 can go here, right? 3 and 4, we can just pick one for each, right? But in this case, one appear 4 times, so it's impossible to make the subarray have distinct elements, right? So we can just, that is pretty straightforward. We can just use a counter to count the occurrence of each number. And then we just have to loop through and make sure the quantity of each number is no more than 2, right? If it is more than 2, if it appears for the third, if a number appears for the third time, which means it is impossible for the subarray to have the distinct element. Okay, so for constant of nums, we're gonna count it, right? So counter of num equal to counter of num plus 1 or 1. So this is we are counting it. So let's take a look uh, at our counter, right? So 1 appear twice, 2 appear twice, 3 appear 1 time, and 4 appear 1 time. In the second example, 1 appear 4 times, right? So now we just have to loop through our counter, right, and make sure that each number appears no more than 2 times. No more than 2 times. Okay, so if the counter, the num appear more than 2 times, we can just return false. Otherwise, we will return true. Accepted. Any more? Thank you for watching.